Alright guys, it's Waylon at Discount Fireworks. I'm in Ripon. We got a Raccoon container today. I'll go through the products and prices. I think a lot of you guys will really appreciate this. It's a lot of cheap stuff on this container. A lot of 200 grams. And we'll start with these fountains. We got a 500 gram fountain Mania coin, 29 bucks. 500 gram fountain charm, $38. Allspark, $6. Rock On, $8. Sky Painter, $9. Arctic Vibe, $6. Jumbo Crackling Balls, $2. Then the Roman candles, $4 for that pack, $3 for that pack. Artillery shells with whistling tails, $8. Artillery shells, $8. I'm restocking the mischievous. Those are $145. Neon swimming stars. That one is $58. Double decker, $15. Big color, $13. Hailstorm, $15. Pirate Captain, $13. Color Storm, $15. Christmas Eve, $12. Joker, $14. Raccoon Swoon, $13. Aggression, $11. Viper Strike, $15. Peace Out, $12. Pinnacle, $11. Raging Willow, $15. Huge Gold Strobe, $40. Demon Stinger, $27. Atomic Particles, $13. Then we've got this 6-piece kit, Haunted Raccoon Dream. It's 6 500 gram cakes for $144. So we are back to open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's dark. I got this container, a lot of pro products in there. All our regular stuff is in stock. It's getting dark. I've had a long day, but I wanted to get this video out, and we'll be doing some demos and some more videos soon of stuff coming in. All right, guys, thanks.